Hello everyone and welcome to Powerful Plants. Today, I bring you a very interesting video about the 5 plants that make us smarter. These plants have been used for centuries for their brain-boosting benefits and have recently been the subject of scientific studies. So pay attention because this information will surely be useful. But before we begin, let me talk a bit about nootropics. Have you ever heard of them? Nootropics are natural or synthetic substances used to enhance cognitive performance. They are known for improving memory, attention, learning, and focus. And these 5 plants I'm about to introduce are considered natural nootropics. Let's start with Bacopa Monnieri. This plant has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Bacopa Monnieri is known as Brahmi, a name derived from the Hindu god Brahma, the creator of the universe. Bacopa Monnieri is known to improve memory, attention, and concentration. It can also help reduce stress and anxiety. However, it's essential to note that the effects of Bacopa Monnieri are not immediate. They may take several weeks to manifest. The contraindications of Bacopa Monnieri are few. Pregnant or lactating women should avoid its consumption, and there might be some side effects like headaches and nausea. A scientific study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that Bacopa Monnieri improved verbal memory in people over 55 years old. Next, we have Salvia officinalis, also known as common sage. This plant has been used since ancient times to treat memory and concentration problems. The ancient Greeks and Romans believed that sage had divine properties and used it in religious ceremonies. So how does Salvia officinalis benefit intelligence? Well, sage contains compounds that stimulate the central nervous system, thus enhancing our cognitive abilities. It has also been shown to reduce inflammation in the brain, which can be beneficial for long-term mental health. However, as with any supplement or herb, it's important to consider contraindications. Sage may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before taking it. Regarding scientific studies, a study published in the journal Psychopharmacology in 2003 found that Salvia officinalis significantly improved memory in both young and older adults. The next natural nootropic is Panax ginseng, a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine to improve health and vitality. The name Panax comes from the Greek word panacea, meaning cure-all. As for the benefits of ginseng for increasing intelligence, several studies suggest that this plant improves memory, attention, and learning ability. A study published in the journal Psychopharmacology found that Panax ginseng significantly improved cognitive performance in people suffering from chronic fatigue. However, ginseng is not suitable for everyone. People taking anticoagulants or with high blood pressure should avoid this plant. Additionally, it may have side effects such as insomnia, nervousness, and upset stomach. Moving on to Salvia rosmarinus, also known as rosemary. Rosemary is an aromatic herb native to the Mediterranean region. The ancient Egyptians used rosemary to improve memory, while the Greeks considered it a sacred plant. Rosemary contains rosmarinic acid, a compound that has shown positive effects on memory and concentration. Moreover, rosemary is also an antioxidant that can improve brain function by protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. Contraindications for rosemary include allergies and gastrointestinal issues if consumed in large quantities. A study published in the journal Psychopharmacology demonstrated that rosemary essential oil improved working memory in young adults. Finally, we have Ginkgo biloba, a tree native to China that has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. One of the most intriguing things about this plant is that it's considered a living fossil, with fossils dating back 270 million years. But what are the benefits of this plant for increasing intelligence? Ginkgo biloba contains components that help improve blood flow and circulation in the brain, resulting in better oxygenation and increased cognitive capacity. Additionally, this plant can enhance memory and concentration. However, it's essential to consider that consuming Ginkgo biloba may have some contraindications. For example, it's not recommended for use in pregnant women or those taking anticoagulant medications. Some people may also experience side effects such as headaches, nausea, or dizziness. Regarding scientific studies, Ginkgo biloba has been shown to improve memory and cognitive ability in older people. A study published in the journal Human Psychopharmacology demonstrated that Ginkgo biloba extracts significantly improved memory and attention in a group of people over 50 years old. In conclusion, the plants we've seen in this video are known as natural nootropics, meaning they have benefits for increasing intelligence and cognitive function. Moreover, these plants have been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and now, thanks to scientific advances, we can better understand how they work and how to harness their benefits. It's important to remember that, while these plants can be beneficial for our mental and cognitive health, they have contraindications and should be used under medical supervision. Additionally, these plants are not a magical solution for improving intelligence, but an additional tool we can use alongside other healthy habits to achieve better mental performance. Finally, I want to remind you that it's always essential to research and learn more about the plants and natural products we use for our health. And it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplements or treatments. I hope you enjoyed this video about the 5 plants that make us smarter and found it informative and useful. See you in the next Powerful Plants video.